Hey, this is Mohammad Faizan, and in this video lecture I am going to show you about the variables in PHP. But before showing the variables in PHP, I want to tell something about the text editor. If you will face some problem in live preview, then you can resolve it by copying this link, localhost, and your project folder name, and you can set this in project setting. You can paste and done it. Then your live preview will okay. For example, if I change something in my code, then save, it automatically refresh the page. See, save. You can see this. If I remove this line and then click on save, you can see the browser. Yes. Okay. So now let's go to the variables in PHP. Variables in PHP. A variable can have a short name like A and B, or a more descriptive name, product, price, quantity, total. Or a variable in PHP is a name of memory location that holds data. A variable is a temporary storage that is used to store data. Or in other words, I can say variable can store values, data and information which can be used and changed at any point of code according to its requirement. Rules of PHP variables. A variable starts with the $sign followed by the name of the variable. So let's go for the practical. Create new file, save it, variable.php. We can start PHP take from here. So the first point was a variable name start with $sign. Okay. So this is the first rule. So here you can see that a variable name starts with $sign, and I provide a value of this variable which is Mohammad Faizan. So if I save it, there is nothing. We need to echo this variable. So how can we show this on a browser? Just pass variable name and terminate the line. Then save. Now you can see on the browser, here our variable value we can see on browser. Okay. Now go for the other rules. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. We can see here a variable name can start with $sign and underscore sign with alphabets. Okay. So let's check it. Yes, it's working fine. Now go for the third point. A variable name cannot start with a number. So let's check. If I provide a number here, then what will happen? Oh, it's give error. Okay, so a variable in PHP cannot start with a number. Now go for the next point. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores from A to Z or from 0 to 9 and underscore. So we already know that. So the next point is a variable name are case sensitive. $name and $NAME are two different variables. So now we check if I change the variable name from a capital letter, then what will happen? So you can see here a error undefined variable which is name. So variable name in PHP are case sensitive. Okay, so see you in next video.